In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Ellipse Tool in Krita. To use the Ellipse Tool in Krita, first select the Ellipse Tool from the toolbar. Once selected, choose your brush settings and adjust any options you need before creating the shape. To draw an ellipse, click and drag on the canvas from your starting point to the desired size. Release the mouse button or stylus to create the ellipse shape. You can adjust the size and position of the ellipse by creating it again with different drag movements. The tool allows you to quickly create smooth and accurate circular or oval shapes. You can use the Ellipse tool when creating circles, rounded designs, patterns, objects, and artwork that requires clean curved edges. It is useful for illustrations, character designs, logos, backgrounds, and detailed drawings. The Ellipse tool in Krita helps you create precise shapes without manually drawing each curve. It makes it easier to add consistent circular elements and maintain smooth edges in your artwork. You can adjust your brush settings anytime to change the appearance, thickness, or style of the ellipse you create. And that's how to use Ellipse tool in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.